friends, welcome back to Python and Fun. Today the topic is accessing data frame series. Um, Here I'm taking an example by creating a 8 periods starting from 2001 till 8, and for this I am generating random values through this numpy function. I'm assigning these dates to the index and columns as A, B, C, D. Here, the first topic is a copy function. Um, Here, I'm copying this data frame to another variable df1. So, um, now next I'll make some changes in the original data frame. I'll transpose the values, that is the values from B will be transposed to A, and A values will be transposed to B. If we we'll see whether the changes have been reflected in the df1 or not, I mean the new copied variable or not. If I print it, the changes won't be reflected. See, it is 0 and 2 only, but actually it is 2 and 0 after transposing. So we can say that a copy function doesn't reflect changes. Getting into the next topic, here I'm taking two forms. One is df.a. Here for df.a, I'm assigning a list of values starting from 0 to the length of index. To the length of index, and this a column is already existing. Okay, here I'm trying to add a new column in this form, and by assigning a range of values. But if I print it, we'll see whether it will add the column or not. See, the G column is not adding to the new, not added to the new, I mean the data frame. In the same way, if we can assign, see, first we'll consider A. Okay, not A, we already did that. Yeah, B, we'll go with B. For B, I have made changes. I have assigned range of value from 0 to length of index. Then after we have seen the values have been changed. Now I'll add new column, whether we'll see whether it can be added or not. F is done G. Okay. Yes, the G is added as new column in the data frame. So in this way, in this form, it can create new column, but not in this form. Okay, it can be I mean the values can be assigned only when A already exists. Okay, getting into the next topic, that is lock and iLock functions. Log, this is a primarily label based, but it can also be used with boolean array. So within the series, we can use only indexer, that is row name, and within the column, sorry, within the data frame, we can use both row and column. And if the ilog, here it is primarily integer position based, that is values which we give, whatever we give, it should be in the integer format only. We cannot give strings here or the name of the labels in that way. Okay, here same way as we transpose using this lock function, also we can transpose, the changes will be reflected. Okay. Then after we can perform some operations like greater than, less than. In that way, we can perform some operations. By that operations, we can calculate some values. Here, for this um, date, I am checking whether whatever date the values are greater than 3. So in this, it will show in this row, it will show whatever values greater than 3 will be displayed here. See, so in this row, whatever the values greater than 3 means within the entire row only C column values value if 5 is greater than 3, so only C column is shown. Because why can't it only give like C column and this row? Because here in the starting I have given colon indicates if I don't give any uh, suffix and prefix, it will I mean start and end points, it will think as whole entire column should come. So in this way this one is generated. Similarly with ilog, I have given same entire columns, but for the which columns selection, I have given 1 and 2, that is position based. See, position based, like this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So 1 and 2 in the B and C will be shown here in this position based. Here also, see, this is similar only. Mm, okay. Next, we'll see some of the uh, ways, these ways in series also. Here, I'm taking an example of series by generating a series with A, B, C as index and with 1, 2, 3 as values. Here, I'm uh, using the function log and to select C row, so we get the 3 as output. And in the next um, problem I have accessed two column names, sorry, two row names at a time by giving a list of row names, I mean list of indexes. Also we can generate like this. uh, but same with the series also, we have to give integer of index, I mean position of index in the integer format. So 2 have given, 2 indicates 0, 1 and 2, so you'll get 3. So 3 is the output here. Then after in the next one we can check for boolean values also, like um, what within the given uh, rows, that is 1 or 2, 1 and 2, whatever values are greater than 1, it should indicate true. So in this way also we can use it. We can assign values um, using um, the index number. We can assign values. See, we have assigned 0 to index 2, that is position 2. So we got the output as 0. Okay, as I have explained in the here, uh, um, sorry, it, the data frame can be um, accessed through boolean array also. See, I have generated an array of boolean values, and I have given it to I have taken it to data frame, and by taking it to data frame, I'll come to know wherever there is a true, that values will only be generated. Wherever there is false, that values are not shown. I mean, are not shown here. Uh, Also, the length of this list of boolean values should be same as length of our index also. So I have given 8 values. In that 8 values, 3 are true. So wherever there is true, that values are only shown here. So in this way, we can access our data frame and series. Going forward, I'll post more such videos. So bye for now, guys. Thank you. Um, Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, that is Python and Fun. Bye.